In Illustrator, suppose you want to color everything on a layer. Select All on the layer and change the fill swatch. That doesn't work. Elements that weren't filled before are now filled. Same with stroke. It adds a stroke to text, for example. I made a script to help. Color layer items. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. This script works on an open document. You don't need to select anything. In the script, we'll select a layer to color. To run the script, go to the File menu. Scripts. I already have the script installed in Illustrator. For help adding scripts to Illustrator, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Select Color Layer Items. The only option required is to select a layer. All other choices are optional, in any combination. To start, I'll choose the layer and a fill swatch, and click OK. Anything that had a fill is now changed to the selected swatch, but not items without a fill. The script correctly handles items in groups and groups within groups, and it knows to ignore images and their clipping paths. Let's undo and try it again. This time, also set a stroke swatch. And like setting the fill, items without a stroke remain unchanged. The script can also control overprinting at the same time. Let's do the same again, but make everything overprint. And you can see, now it all overprints. Or change only the overprint. Don't select a fill or stroke swatch, and they are not changed. But you can still turn overprint on or off. Run the script again, and clear the fill overprint, and only overprint the strokes. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. There are many more scripts and videos for them. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.